કેવું હતું કે રસ્તે બાણ You know that one, the first one?
Yes,
The road to
vaguely,
Liston
yes.
Barna, yeah.
Thank you, yeah. It brought some memories back. Yeah.
Oh, nice, nice. Nice when it does that, brings memories back.
And what was the air you played last week for them? You played the slow air.
Gentle breeze. There's another legendary fiddle player who's just died, Jimmy Campbell from Glenpeace.
Oh, he died.
He has, yeah. And he's just passed on. So send out our condolences to the whole Campbell family. We might play a tune for him later on. It's lovely to have everybody here today. Great to see you all. Cheers. Cheers. January's almost over now. We're out of the worst. Almost out of the worst.
Done your tax return?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all done. And I heard on the radio you if you fail to hand in your tax return, you won't be fined this year.
Just interest.
So, yeah, just interest. That's right. Yeah. 20 quid or something.
Yeah.
So you get an extension until next month.
Yeah. How generous.
That's it.
How generous.
It's luckily I had mine all done. Usually start in December working on that.
Did mine last week.
Take a breather now and relax. So what should we do? Play a few jigs you would like. I wonder, you had that Rosemary Lane, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You could play that one.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to say the names of those tunes. It was The Road to Liston Barna was the first one, and then it was the Kid on the Mountain, and then the Cliffs of Moher. I'm sure you all know. I've heard of those names already. In keeping with the tradition that Mick O'Connor has started. In keeping with the tradition that Mick O'Connor has started, we better name all the tunes tonight. Or we'll be in.
He'll be listening in. You'll be
He'll be listening, is right. We'll be in serious trouble if we don't name every tune.
You can't see us. He'll see the two of you, so you better behave.
That's right. For Rosemary Lane then. And Donnybrook Fair. And then Tobin's at the end. Okay, let's try that. How you doing? Yeah, get yourself a drink there. It's on the house for you to your music. How's it going, Oshin?
Don't know whether it's
And Leah as well. Is this in the box?
Tired out.
Yeah, no, Florida. I think it was Dublin or something like that. That's right. Probably there. Yeah, that's right. Mick couldn't make it tonight. He's busy with he's doing another gig with Mick Bailey. We weren't good enough for him.
Myself and Mary will give us some later.
That'll be lovely. Thanks for doing this tonight. Sorry, I left at the last minute. Sorted out. That should be good later on, Peter McCullen.
Lady in the room.
Yeah, Baston's short. Alright, do another set here. Instead of do you want to do one already?
No, I was trying to run the start of the Liverpool one.
Maybe in a minute, we'll
Yeah.
save that for later.
That's it, isn't it?
We'll do that one later on. It's a bit hard for now. Stand there. So, sorry, the minor road is A, Cooley's in E minor, and then something else in the end, I haven't decided yet. chance to get their preferred speed. Oh yes. First one was the Mountain Road in D. Then we had Coolies in E minor. And tell me the Wise Maid. The Wise Maid in D. Never tell whether it's the Wise Maid or the
Also known as All Around the World for Sport. It was known as All Around the World for Sport as well. The Wise Maid. Put it off that time. Nick O'Connor was on. Very young Nick O'Connor.
Still love to hear that.
Orange colour.
But he was on an album there with what was it again? Not that person, but a different person. Some fiddle player. Lucky in Love it was called. But I heard it.
Tony Smith, isn't it? Or Tom McGavin.
Smith probably. I'm not a guy, I don't know.
McGavin.
Oh, McGavin.
He's Irish. Tony
I think I hear a song coming on there.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll have a tune from our good friend John Devine here. Thanks for coming along, John. I'll make a bit of space here for you.
Do some jigs.
Yeah, yeah.
What about
No, but I was going to do that one actually. Put that on my list. Yeah.
Didn't else say that?
Yeah, I'm going to save that. For now.
And I got a calendar. Yeah, at the end of the day, it's pretty good.
Father Thomas Wilson. That would you play? We'll do that one in a bit, I think. Start with something like nice and gentle. Something slow.
Play something we
Good idea. Absolutely. Yeah, you've got to have a chance. You've got to have a chance. You know.
What about doing Jim Ward's?
Oh yeah, perfect.
Then Whelan's. And then what about Pipe and Hop? Or a better one?
Yeah, no, that's fine. That's a lovely
Blarney
tune.
Pilgrim? Yeah.
Oh yeah, we know that one.
We know that one,
We know that one.
Let's do that. Let's do Jim Ward's, Whelan's, and the Blarney Pilgrims. So
Is that G,
E
E
minor,
minor, and D?
D, I think, yeah.
G, E minor, and D. Back in. Back push up there.
You don't really sensible speed.
Sort of. Speed up the last time. The last tune.
Up to three?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
many singers out there now. You can start it off with a nice song. Shortly we'll be handing over to you. You can start playing your tunes and singing your songs.
As we gather in the chapel here in the old Kilmainham jail, I think about these last few weeks. Oh, will they say we failed? From our school days we were told that we must yearn for liberty, but all I want in this dark place is to have you here with me. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They take me out at dawn and I will die. With all my love I place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, so we must say goodbye. Now I know it's hard for you, my love, to really understand the love I have for these brave men, the love for this dear land. But when Padraig called me to the side down at the GPO, I had to leave my own sick bed. To him I had to go. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They take me out at dawn and I will die. With all my love I place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, so we must say goodbye. Do you know the verse? Now as the dawn is breaking near, my heart is breaking too. As I walk out on this grey morn, my thoughts will be with you. And I write some words upon the wall, so they will always know I loved so much that I could see his blood upon the rose. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They take me out at dawn and I will die. With all my love I place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, so we must say goodbye. Last chance joining in. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They take me out at dawn and I will die. With all my love I place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, so we must say goodbye.
Thank you, Philip. Great. And now, have we got any tune players there who'd like to lead us at? I wonder. I know there's a couple of very fine musicians over there, young musicians. Oisin and Luia. Not to mention all of you, you're all very fine musicians. It's great to have you here. So have a think. Anyone would like to lead a tune?
Using polkas.
Polkas. Perfect. You haven't done any of those? What polkas had you in mind?
Paddy Desmond ones.
Okay.
And then maybe on the end. How's that called? No, it's not Martin.
No.
Whatever it's called, it's that one.
We'll think about that. We'll think about that one.
That's got a name for it. Usual power for good or for evil.
Maybe inspirational strong one. Maybe first full time using Paddy Desmond.
Is your age?
Okay. Let me look it up in my spreadsheet.
He's
Oh,
going to
did
look
you?
at
Oh, sorry.
It's quite Scottish, isn't it? You know,
How about a song from John there? How you doing?
All right, thanks, Michael.
Nice to see you.
Bill Sullivan's. Bill, Kitty, sorry, Pauline. Bill Sullivan's.
Nice, lovely tune. It falls in well with the Barry Desmond.
From where?
Just jumping over here. Yeah.
Oh, Brent's Bar.
When the golden sun sinks in the west, and the tile of a long day's o'er, though the road may belong to the lilt of a song, I forget I was weary before. Far ahead, where the blue shadows fall, I will come to contentment and rest, and the tile of the day will be all charmed away in my little grey home in the west. There are hearts that will welcome me in. There are lips that I'm burning to kiss. There are two eyes that shine just because they are mine. And a thousand things other men miss. It's a corner of heaven itself, though it's only a tumble-down nest. Wood with love brooding there, there's no place can compare with my little grey home in the west.
Thanks very much, John. It's lovely. Very grey days, isn't it? A little grey house in the west. So, back to the tunes then, I guess. How about it on the two ladies on the button accordions? What would you have in mind?
California, the boys are doing it.
Great. Off to California and the boys will be.
Yeah. Is there anything else I can go with that?
Yeah, yeah. Do that, or we'll do the drones or something like that as well. Drones weren't. Have you got any ideas to go on the end of that? Stick to Liverpool on the end. Of course, yeah, you mentioned it there.
Oh yeah, or Kitty's wedding, I think. Second one. Kitty's wedding, maybe more people.
Oh, Kitty's wedding might be. We'll put Kitty's wedding on the end.
All right.
Is that all right?
Well, we'll see. No promises. They fall into place. Twice. Each of them 3 times, is it?
Yeah.
Twice.
Whatever you want. Whatever you want. Twice or 3 times is fine. Do you have any other singers there tonight? We have David Kelly there, who has just arrived. Actually.
Wouldn't mind, since we're bringing up the tempo, I could have a go at the Rocky Road.
That'd be nice. Lovely. That's one of the Kings of Connacht's greatest hits on YouTube, isn't it? Have you seen them, the two lads that came in here? They had a band called the Kings of Connacht.
Oh yeah, the fellas,
Have
yeah.
you seen that? They
Well,
did a
used,
cover of that.
I learned the Rocky Road from their version
Oh,
and I
did
met
you?
them here.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I think so the Kings of Connacht fellas were quite popular when they were like 16 or 15 or something.
Yeah.
They were younger than Connor here, and they had a couple of hits, I think, in Ireland with trad music.
Yeah.
And then they kind of drifted off, and now they're back, and I think they're gigging, those fellas now.
Yeah, I got them a gig in Connolly's actually.
How did you?
Yeah, they did. They followed us down one.
How was it?
Yeah, it was great. The whole bar was singing along like it was amazing.
Yeah. Right, we'll give it a whirl. Oh yeah, thank you. In the merry month of June, from me home I started, left the girls a tune, nearly broken hearted, saluted father dear, kissed me darling mother and drank a pint of beer, my grief and tears smothered, then off to reap the corn, leave where I was born, cut a stout blackthorn to banish ghosts and goblins, running all the boats, brand new pair of roads, frightening all the dogs on the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack full all the ride. In Mullingar that night, rested limb so weary, started by daylight, morning bright and airy, drank a drop of the pure to keep me heart from sinking. That's the paddy's cure whenever he's on for drinking. Seen the lassie smile, laughing all the while, at me curious dog that set your heart to bubbling. Tired of the rocky road, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack full all the ride. In Dublin next to ride, I thought it was a pity so soon to be deprived of view of that fine city. Then I took a stroll, all among the quality bundle it was stole, all in a neat locality. Something crossed me mind, when I looked behind, no bundle could I find. On my stick a bubble inquiring for the road, told me Connacht Road wasn't much in vogue on the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack full all the ride. From there I got away, spirits never failing, landed on the quay. As the ship was sailing, captain at me roared, said no cabin had he. When I jumped aboard, a cabin he found for Paddy all down among the peaks. Crossed some bonny rigs, danced some hearty jigs, the water ran me bubbling, asked what he had. Wished myself instead, a bed of bar instead, on the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up there and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack full all the ride. The boys of Liverpool, we safely landed, called myself a fool. I could no longer stand it, blood began to boil, temper I was losing, poor old Erin's they began abusing her, and me so says I should lay the island by. Oh, we boys were nigh, they saw I was a hobbling with the loud array, joined in the affray, quickly cleared the way to the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up the hair and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack full all the ride. Thank you very much. Sorry, I put you on the spot there. The playing out. I'm never sure where to fit in a solo in that because you just don't know where it's going to work out for the musicians. But
Yeah, it's kind of one of the few songs you can put a boron along with.
I know, yeah, I can't. I've tried playing it and singing it on the baron, but
You'll get there. Keep trying.
it's desperate hard.
Keep trying.
Michael,
You'll get there.
Mary's like singing myself.
That'll be lovely, yeah. Go on ahead.
Oh, Mary, this London is a wonderful sight, where the people are working all day and all night, where they don't grow potatoes, no barley, no wheat, but there's gangs of them kids all in the street. At least when I am, that's what I was told, so I took the band and is digging for gold, and all that I found there I might as well be, where the mountains of gold is down to the sea. I was walking together, met down by the strand, and I met young Peter, and he waved with his hand, and they were thinking what day would be day, and he stopped the whole street with a wave of his hand. mountains of mourn, sweet down to the sea. At least when I asked them, that's what I was told. I just shook his hand and said, "Living for gold." And all that I wonder, I might as well be to be back where the morn sweeps down to the sea.
Come on, Joe.
That way.
Would you like to play a tune yourself? What was the name again? Sorry. Alvin. Great.
Alvin and EJ. Lucy
No,
Farr.
Lucy Farr. Okay, great stuff. learning streams. That's very nice, thank you. Really enjoyed that. You have to do that again. Do it again next time. We really like that. We need to think of a nice slow tune to put on the end of it. Something like a slow read would be nice. For example. Lua, do you want to play a tune?
Yes.
Got a Michael McGoldrick for the fans. Got Michael McGoldrick Jr. here.
Leaving Lease. Farewell to Roddy Range and Trip to Hermes.
Sounds good. Another singer then, maybe, on the horizon. Wait.
By a lonely prison wall, I heard a young man calling, Michael, they have taken you away. For you stole Trevelyan's corn, so the young would see the dawn. Now a prison ship lies waiting in the bay. Low lie the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely around the fields of Athenry. By a lonely prison wall, I heard a young girl calling. Now nothing matters, baby, you and you're free. Now succumb, I did rebel. They cut me down and gave me hell. Now you must raise our kids in liberty. Everybody. Low lie the fields of Athenry, where once you watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely around the fields of Athenry. Group guys. She watched the last star falling as the prison ship sailed out against the sky. She lives in hope and pray for her love in Botany Bay. It's so lonely around the fields of Athenry. Low lie the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely around the fields of Athenry. Everybody, come on. Oh, like the fields of Athenry, where once we watched the small free birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely around the fields of Athenry. It's so lonely around the fields of Athenry.
Sounds like a sonato.
Oh yeah,
We'll do that on the end. Five parts.
5 parts.
Cool, we'll do that. Do it on the end.
Jimmy Campbell. Right, so we're going to play a couple of tunes here for a very legendary fiddle player from Donegal who passed away there recently. His name is Jimmy Campbell, and the last tune is called The High Road to Linton, which is a tune that is often played in Donegal. It's one of the tunes that he would have played himself. There's many tunes that I would have played with Jimmy. Myself and my brother would have played with him maybe probably around the year 2000 or so. We would have went to this little pub in Glencolmkill, not Glencolmkill, sorry, Glenties, in Glenties, a place called Denny's, which is right in the middle of the glen, and he was the most welcoming man you'd ever met in your life, and I just want to play this tune for him tonight, so enjoy. The Stone of Destiny, Brent Stubbers.
A. G, A minor.
Yeah, whatever.
A minor, and then D.
That's one of the tunes that Jimmy used to play, actually.
Yeah.
It was so encouraging, like.
I love
would
it. It's a
just-
great tune.
It would put you on the spot and get you to play a tune,
Yeah.
and it would say, "Go on, you can do it. Keep going." And it was brilliant. Great fella.
Yeah, just a quick announcement, folks. Great to see everybody here on Friday night. Love to see all of them. If you haven't picked up the latest brochure, folks, it is outside. It has everything up until, well, the beginning of May. We are hoping to announce St. Patrick's next week. We have the main headliners booked. There's just a couple of special guests we're waiting to confirm. So there will be things here 17th, 18th, 19th and 20th of March. So keep an eye on the website, the newsletter next week. It is St. Bridget's weekend. This weekend we have the legendary Casey Sisters here on Sunday night. There are still tickets left for the Casey Sisters if you can get down to see them. They are brilliant. Next Friday we have a very, very special event here. It is a concert that will combine the Lost Brothers, who are the latest RTE Folk Nominee Awards, and the legendary Christine Tobin. They were both found by Frank Murray, who is a world name in music. He helped discover the Pogues, Elton John, and a few other amazing people. So don't miss that concert. There's tickets available for that as well. It's just to give you a heads up, we're pretty much back to normal in February. So the session will be in the foyer every Friday in February because there's something in here every night. Just in case anybody's worried about close contact and whatnot. Don't worry, we're still air conditioned, cleaned, all of that. All I would ask you to do is use common sense. If you have a high temperature and whatnot still, don't come out. No. But other than that, pick up this, see what's coming up. There's a lot of great concerts. We're back, folks. Hopefully we'll never be closing
Thank you, William. Good man.
Very good.
Still haven't said your yet. Anybody would like to sing a song? Okay. Another song, maybe? You've already sung. Oh, yes, that'd be nice. Falling for a song.
Come stroll for a while with my memory, and I'll tell you of times long ago when we went to school summer and winter, barefoot through the fields we would go. I remember our little thatch cottage and the half door that led to the hall, the crane or the fire in the kitchen, and the grandfather clock on the wall. Or the stout it was cured with the poker, and poaching they said cured the flu. The bacon it hung from the ceiling, sure the story I tell you is true. We went by trap to Mass Sunday, Grandad he wore his best hat. The preacher he'd serve from the altar, and the women in different seats sat. Matchmaking was part of tradition, and the rambling house filled up at night. The tailor would tell a ghost story, so the children would shiver with fright. Join in. Oh, the thought it was cured with the poker, and punching they said cured the flu. The bacon it hung from the ceiling, sure the story I tell you is true. I remember the sound of the anvil and the burning horse hooves we could smell as we passed the forge door in the evening with water we swept from the well. We spancelled the cows before milking, tied the horse to the wall to the shoe. His collar and hames, his winkers and reins, and the harness we kept it like new. Oh, the stout it was cured with the poker, and punching they said cured the flu. Oh, the bacon it hung from the ceiling, darkness. With our animals we walked with delight. When the wheeling and dealing was over, everyone stayed round for the fight. Now I hope that in telling this story I haven't detained you too long, for there is so much more I could tell you someday in some other song. Oh, the stout it was cured with the poker, and the machine they said cured through. Oh, the bacon it hung from the ceiling, sure the story I tell you is true. The story I told you was true.
Molly, you're getting very good at the singing. I
don't know about that.
Fantastic.
If I open my eyes, I lose the words. I keep my eyes. We mustn't forget Katie.
Katie.
She likes to sing.
Katie. Ah, yes.
That's her name, isn't it?
Katie, would you like to sing a song?
She does like to sing.
Yes, yes, please, yeah.
That'd be lovely. Did you want to come into the middle?
Sure.
Do you want to come in the middle? And you know, if anybody wants to come into the middle, we can put a chair in there for you. Actually, why don't we just leave a chair there? Then we can just there's a chair. Yeah, leave it in. Yeah. Okay. People want to sit in the middle, then they can. Should be allowed.
I'll listen in.
Fiddles, fiddles, horns.
What's the song?
Yay.
What's the song?
You know the,
If anyone's brave enough to go for the middle.
so you can all sing along to your name in the key of G.
Maybe we should sit. What song is it?
Song. What's the song, Katie?
Sorry, you know who writes? That one? Do you know that?
I can't hear you.
Do you want to start from G and then we'll...
G, yeah. So I need like a bit of an intro. So.
Grace.
Oh, Grace.
Bit quicker. As we gathered in the chapel here in old Trevanian gale, I think I
sideways. That might be a bit more inviting. Like.
You're determined to get someone sitting down.
I feel like getting a chair.
Great, wouldn't it?
I wish Mick was here from Slough because he was chair there where he could sit.
You have a whole inner circle of chairs.
The chair itself.
3 layers.
It's a bit actually, it's a bit intimidating. It's like you're on a trial.
Yeah, put it back. Put it
The
back.
tree judges here.
Looks
Just
bad.
pop that on.
Yeah, put it back. It looks bad. Someone wants to sit next to us. They can just take a chair next to us. Bad idea. What do we do after that?
Some real?
Tunes, I guess. Patrick for a set of tunes.
How about Farrell's Economy? And the Ash Band. And then I don't know what's the thing.
Something out there. Farewell to.
Farrell's Economy. How's that from maybe those chairs.
Yeah, there's Jerry.
Yes.
$3 each. Sure the keys are on.
Christmas Day, I think. When it's
Is that the first one? And then is it E minor? Sure, that's E minor. Yeah, I think E minor. And then
B minor.
CL's chairs, isn't it? It might be.
B minor.
Thank you.
tunes. We're in the fiddle group at the moment. We're in the advanced group. We're talking about familiar tunes. So I've sent them all a project. We have to come up with a set of familiar tunes. Then we get into what do we mean by familiar tunes. Basically session tunes. Simplifying. Any other singers tonight? I think we have a very nice banjo player over here. Has he played already? Would you like to play a tune? Jolly Beggar Man? Little Beggar Man. Okay. Cool.
day we sailed away on the 23rd of May. We were taken on board by a pleasant crew, all bound for America. Fresh water then did we take on board, 5,000 gallons or more, in case we run short on the trip to New York, far away from the Shamrock shore. So very well, sweet Liza dear, and likewise to Derry Town, and very well to my comrades both, who dwell on that sage ground. If ever fortune should favour me, and if I have money in store, I'll come back and I'll wed the sweet lassie I left there on Paddy's Green Shamrock Shore. Sailed for days, and we were all sick, oh no one on board was free. And I was confined to my sleeping bunk, and no one to care for me. No kind mother dear, and no father kind, to empty me head, oh so sore. But it made me think of the girl that I left there on Paddy's Green Shamrock Shore. Safely reached the other side in 15 and 20 days. We were taken ashore by a pleasant man who told us to do and to plan. And then we had a parting glass in case we wouldn't meet no more. And we said good luck to dear Ireland and Paddy's Green Shamrock Shore. So fare thee well, sweet Liza dear, and likewise to Curry's Town. And fare thee well to my comrades both, who dwell on that sainted ground. If ever fortune should favour me, and if I have money in store, I'll come back and I'll wed the sweet lassie I left there on Paddy's Green Shamrock Shore. You're up, boys. Jan! How are you? You gonna do something?
Right on to you, Steve. How could I be possible?
You're a hard act to follow, Phil.
Unless John wants to do you want to do a tune? Do some more chorus swap? No, we'll do a tune first, sorry.
You got any more tunes?
Do some more chorus
We
swap.
play something together. Butterfly, lovely, yeah. Do you play with anything? Butterfly and the Royal Ballet, very nice. So it's E minor and G. You start something. That's great. Well done.
Good man.
What was the tune after the Pussy?
The Roaring Barn.
Concertina player there. Jan.
Can I do a song?
Yes, please.
Thank you. I'll do this Only Our Rivers Run Free again. I'm still working on this song. Can someone give me a D?
Pullet and the Boys of Port Ferry. Do you know those?
Looking for the time, I couldn't find it, but hopefully I'll be able to get into it there.
So if I can remember. I've always had this difficulty hard. These tunes go straight on me. So it just goes straight on my head. Oh, God. No, it just goes on my head.
feet there tonight, lads. And ladies. Ladies and lads. Very good, very good. So I guess that was our final set.
Our finale set.
So if we have left anybody out, I know there's a whistle player over there. Do you know his name? You don't know his name?
I can do you a few tunes, Michael, if you want.
That'd be lovely. Yeah.
I don't know if they go together. Geese in the Bog and Humans of Glen Dart. Does that work together or not?
Yeah, I hope so.
See up to date.
See up to date.
Okay. 2, 3, 4. Well, my heart rate monitor's going off here. 117. So that's my cardio.
That's your workout for the
my
day.
workout for the day.
You're not allowed to leave, Patrick. You can stay and play another tune. Are you heading off, are you?
Yes, I've got a dash.
All right. Well, thanks. Thanks a million.
Great set.
Thanks for you too. And thanks everybody.
Thank you very much.
That was lovely.
That was great.
See you again next week, we hope. If we've left anybody out, of course, you could always play another tune.
I'll work
Maybe next week.
Yeah. I don't even, it's actually, sometimes I think I try and get it.
Yeah.
Sit down there.
Do this or like?
Hello to Patrick Butler there. How are you doing? Hope you're well. In New Zealand.
Play Katie back.
Paddy should be.
Play double dice.
The man I've seen you on Cecil Charles Palace.
Yes,
I'm sure I met you somewhere. I love Cambridge. I used to work on Cambridge. I didn't used to have one there, so.